Let's learn how to make free money with credit cards. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make free money using cash back on credit cards. Before you continue this video, if you have not watched or listened to our episode on how to use a credit card, be sure you do that first so that you understand exactly what we're about to talk about in this episode, okay? So moving forward, when you apply for a unsecured credit card, 9 times out of 10, they're going to offer you a intro bonus, cash back, or travel reward points. We're going to talk about all three in this episode. We're going to explain how to earn that free money and why the banks give us that free money. So the very first thing we're going to talk about and explain is the intro bonus cash. You may have noticed if you apply for a credit card, they may offer you $200 or $500 up front if you spend a certain amount of money within the first 90 days of having that credit card. So for example, if I apply for a credit card and they offer me a $200 intro bonus if I spend $3,000 within the first 90 days with them. The reason they offer me that $200 intro bonus is because they are hoping that I do not pay off my balance in full every month so that they can charge me interest on that intro bonus. That's all how credit card companies get paid, is from interest and transaction fees. We're going to explain each one in a second. But most importantly, with your intro bonus, you want to make sure you pay your card off in full. If you don't, that defeats the whole purpose of you even getting that free $200 up front or $500 up front, whichever the case may be. So if they offer you an intro bonus, you spend that money and pay it off in full every single month so that the money is really free to you. So if I had to spend $5,000 with my own cash or my own debit card, I'm going to use the credit card to spend that $5,000 on so that I can get that intro bonus and then pay it off with my debit card or cash that I was going to use to spend the $5,000 anyway. And that $200 or that $500 intro bonus is literally free money to me. So definitely make sure you pay that thing off in full every single month so that the bank isn't making no money off of you and they're paying you just to use their money. So we're going to talk about the second thing, which is cash back. This is the most common type of reward that you earn with unsecured credit cards. So most of your credit card companies give you 1 to 3% cash back. And the way they're able to do this is whenever you go somewhere and you swipe your credit card, well, that credit card company or that bank, they charge that store transaction fees. So for example, if I went to Walmart and I spent $100, well, in order for Walmart to get my money, they have to pay the bank a transaction fee to get that money. So therefore, they're not really making $100. And all of those fees that the credit card company or the bank is charging, they're paying you a commission with those fees or a thank you fee back. So if the merchant is charging 5% in fees where you're making 2% or 3% back, or if they're charging 2% in fees, then you're making 1% out of that 2%. So that's kind of how you're paid from cashback rewards and how those fees and percentages kind of add up and work out. There's other ways they get paid as well. So they definitely want you to keep swiping their credit card. So like I say, if I spent $100 in Walmart and the bank was giving me 3% back on that credit card. Well, I just earned $3 just from spending $100. That really adds up, especially if you're like me and you use your credit cards for business use, or if you swipe it for every single thing that you use on a personal use, going out to restaurants, fuel, gas, everything. You can earn a lot of money back each year just from swiping your credit card. I mean, I go on a vacation once or twice a year and it's paid for free because I save all of my cash back rewards and I use those rewards or cash back to buy my vacation so I can fly or travel for free. So the next thing we're going to talk about, since we're talking about traveling for free, is the travel reward points. So you may have seen some credit cards, instead of it saying cash back, it says you earn these travel points. So pretty much it's the same thing as dollars, except in a form of points. It may add up to be a few more points than you would get back in cash, but that's a different story. So for example, when you fly on a plane, if you swipe these credit cards, they give you all of these points so that you can use with the airlines, and sometimes you can fly for free, or if it's a hotel travel card, sometimes you can get these points and you can stay in a hotel for free. I know the Hilton has their own credit cards, and many other hotels have credit cards, and some credit cards only give you travel points in general. So if you like to travel like I do, I personally don't have a travel card. I just stick to the cash back cards, but the travel cards can really come in handy if you fly a lot or if you stay in a lot of hotels, especially for work and things like that, although work normally pays for it, but that can really come in handy, especially if you travel a lot. So now that you understand how all of this works, it's very important that you pay your card off in full every month. None of this is free if you do not pay your card off in full. If the bank makes $1 of interest off of you, it defeats the whole purpose, in my opinion. So I haven't paid $1 in interest to a bank ever since I've had my credit cards and learned how to use the credit cards. And they have been paying me to use their money that I was going to use anyway, regardless, with my own money. So just like my utility bills that I pay every month, my water bill, my light bill, phone bill, etc., I would use my debit card or cash money with that every month just to pay my bills. However, since the credit card company gives me cash back, I'm using their money and paying it back off with the money that I was going to spend regardless. The bank makes zero interest off of me every single month, and they're paying me hundreds of dollars per month because I, spend my card on large amounts, business expenses and things like that. But it doesn't matter. Only spend what you can afford to pay off so that the bank is making $0 of interest off you. And this money is free. I wouldn't do anything else but, make free money using someone else's money. So if this video helped you, be sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for more helpful videos like this one. We're going to talk about how credit cards work. We're going to talk about how to improve your credit scores, how to get things removed from your credit scores. And we're also going to talk about more details about the credit repair process itself. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.